bangifasile izandla ngiyashayiwa ngiyaklapiwa ngimpama okay ngibheka usistar ngara so one yamshaya ngara yamrape so le mayiqeda ichenchana nalo ngikhombe ngesibhamu iza ngapha ngiyaklapiwa shimabalo kuba chenchana ngale bachenchana ngogirl in terms of ukumrape ngapha bachenchana ngokunklapa. You know, at some point I felt like I'm not man enough, man. I felt like amantombazane wakuleli izwe or nje women in general, they are not being protected by us as men. That day, I felt like being a man, it's useless.
Mr. Shawa,
Khotman,
how's it going, man?
I'm Nandi Khotman.
You are one of the biggest, I would say, influencers. You can correct me if I'm wrong. With a unique niche. You know, there's a guy called I forgot the guy, man. What he does is that he would call like Nicki Minaj, but it's a video.
No Chill God.
No Chill God.
Sure,
Thank you.
Sure.
And then he would speak to a celebrity via video call.
Yeah, over video call.
But you found a way, bruh, to send a voice note.
Yeah.
In a creative way.
Yeah.
How were you able to do that, bruh?
Okay, firstly to Bulisa Khotman.
Yeah. Why are you saying that like you're only disc TV?
And also, let me congratulate you on your YouTube. Is it a silver plate? Eh?
Yeah.
Congratulations on that, my brother. How it started, content memo voice note. I think it was during a lockdown. So usually I used to see this guy was selling popo. Konje bekuban mu fere what part man. I forgot his name, but yena bega sendela abangani bakhe ama voice note through WhatsApp. You understand? Yeah, alokazi Khalisa and all that. So okay, ngiyabona la content uthi man yangibulala lengwenya le. Then my first voice note I did, actually it was a rough sketch. I think no dlala.
Yeah.
Then I sent to Beyonce, and I posted it on my WhatsApp status, and and yeah, that's how it started. And the first official voice note, I lashela go my Instagram and all that. It was Beyonce again. Yeah, okay. So I was with Nentwane Shala next door what you put the. So I'm like, what's all and I said, what's it is when Auntie Beyonce? Auntie Beyonce. Who's Bagashela in the ID? So it went viral, and that's how it started.
For people that don't know who you are, you know, I mean, they're watching us and they hear you talking, but they don't know who you are. Who are you? Who is Shaba?
Okay, ikamalam Utumsani Comfort Miauza. I was born and bred in Tembisa. Kunekasi wati Winnie Mandela, and people used to believe, or people believe, especially from Tembisa and Jikasu, but I'm proud of Ikaslam Uti. It has produced a lot of talented people, you know. You'd mention the likes of Umadi Shamujeka, may his soul rest in peace. The guy who was playing for Mamelodi Sundowns, he's from Winnie Mandela. There is also me, there is also Stelo Butelezi, you guys know him as CK. Yeah, we from that kasi. So, Kuliswa old lady, I was raised by a single mother. C4. Abantwana bagama old lady, but as iskachis va firstborn gama maya chief da to Devon, tuna lento zama movie yabo. Umunye nje umuntu ukuthi passionate ngento zama movie, being behind the scene, directing and all that. Then second born gama old lady ya chief da. While we were still growing up, I think because I say teenage by the age of probably 16, 17, 18, somewhere there. because bese kaqala ngena stage yawo and uma lady bekulo muntu ukuthi straight so athi ayazi ngoba sekaqala manje ungena into zokujola and bekakujola dangerous guy from a wood so athi ayazi ithema like imali zelizomgova so ahlala nethema like akhulela kuthema like and ithema like umuntu ukuthi when we were growing up I thought uyubaba mama mpela you understand and
Yeah.
I love that man hey so masikhula bekumuntu ukuthi ngama weekends from Friday sibuya ngama Sunday because Monday is gala so ngama Friday besiya ku thema le sister lami le second born so njalo bathi awuye kubaba kaMpilo yabo baba uMpilo it's my sister the second born baye kubaba kaMpilo but I click it right ukuthi actually shoot akusithi amalami yabo ngithi maybe ngoba usister uyomdala because you know abantu abadala if you are the firstborn but ubaba ka Justice you understand laba abanye balandelayo so up until 2011 when I was doing grade 6 that's when I got to know about my real father and nakhona ngazi ngaye masekashonile yabo oledi langitshela was on December I remember siplomile eJardini bekuvakashe my uncle from KZN makavakashile kanje awuthi nje ithanda ukuhlaba yabo so oledi langitshela lithi emfethu kumele semncwabeni eView so it's just look a few minutes away from where we stay yabo le Castle Hospital View so uthi kumele semncwabeni nyambuza mani moledi ngoba thina sikhula sazi ukuthi la eJardini abantwana bahamba imingcwabo kenzakalani athi hayi man I brush off yabo uthi kumele semncwabeni lokho kubuza into ezibhaya so okay sharp usiyela emncwabeni yes safika emncwabeni yancwatsha time ngikava ukuthi ngizongcwaba itime by then yancwatsha time you know a week later ayithi yazi makunomncwabo following week nalo msebenzi okugezwa nan so that's when angijela ukuthi ejo mamela njengoba kuloku kuzabo baba omncane laba lokho bazokucollect nyangada you see the family you don't understand what's happening lo muntu bomncwaba ithama lakho okay sharp did it affect me that much? No,
because you didn't have like a close-up relationship with him.
Let alone that my mom was a super mom. Angikhumbuli ngiba nale space ukuthi ngoba ngina time maybe no. She was a mother and she was a father to me. So ile nto ukuthi okay ngazi family time and when I got to meet the family at Tamalam, my grandmother passed on the following year in 2012. But hey man, they've been so supportive until today. Umkhulu Nxumalo, there is nothing that he didn't do for me. By then I was still playing soccer. He would buy me soccer boots when we have trials, maybe but Highlands when I'm a trial, he would give me money. Like he was there for me. So was look feel that space a time and till today I appreciate them so much and yeah right now ngintwana nje ukuthi ngizenzela i-content ama voice note. Most people they know me from that content where I send celebrities voice note. There is a drama and all that, and also I'm one of the presenters from Trap and Pass under Orlando Pirates or Productions. I'm also an MC. Yeah, there's a lot, man, that I do.
How much is Orlando Pirates paying you?
It's enough, man. It's enough.
Yeah.
Impilam it was ukushintsha because I always look at this. So there's this sister mnanyimbizo lady called Usindi Sibisi Khumalo. So how they got me go Trap and Pass. So there was a sitting with Stan. I don't know if you remember. Yeah, I used to play on SuperSport TV.
Yeah.
So there was an episode Diagas Ju and Ikhotman U Gerald Mutabi where it was a yin yang nje yabo Gerald wena Sjugu uwe bomosha la soccer player. Sjugu was like mpati mina moshanga muntu ibo bebaskime mina. So I'm like man lenta baringa ngazo ubbabazo nyazicava with the current generation of footballers, you understand. And I won't lie, I've been at some point in ngathi nje ukuzijona nama soccer player where we used to party, girls and all that, but it never been something ukuthi sengiphila ngayo. I had to stop at some point with no man. You're a brand, man. There's a lot to focus on than relying on impilo ama soccer player with bagay mali and the party and the girls. So I'm like, I sent a DM. So mina when I follow a production, that's how even Diski TV to know what there are people about justice and all that. It's because when I follow a production, I get to check what abuban like
behind the scenes, yeah, production based.
Yeah, so nyabona okay le sister le logo le push I think la anyim DM yabo. Nithi ngicela uba part of your ama guest that who sitting with Stan. I want to speak about the current generation of footballers with bona baphila kanjani yabo. Really? Okay, sharp. Ngizokutshela if izinto mase zisharp yabo, but si on. Okay, cool. I think months later they called me. Say a shooter a little theater in Corif. Man figure okay, uschugo vele slogo siyazana kuma WhatsApp, beslogo sikhuluma kuma social media. Ukhotmani Gerald Mutabi ngimazi nje because of soccer, but I've never got to see him personal. So nyafika la siyashuta sasenaloka kuchukanyana yabo. Nyashuta I came there prepared, but nah, I don't think I was prepared because hey, I'm a question bebang shabe should laser using press a great sharp yabo. Then we shot the first episode, and that's when the concept the Trip and Pass came. Yabo. Because now when we were shooting, I thought we were shooting a sitting with Stan, and I was so happy with things of Valley TV. Yabo. But Masik Vela with a Norman. Actually, this thing in Aspana, Spechu Joe, Spechu Gerald, Spechu Shaba, and the amazing, incredible human beings behind the scene. We can do this. So at some point I was like, should you want to get Vela TV? But hey man, I didn't know what the picture was this big until we started doing our activations. You know, the first episode, which it was mine, it got numbers, man. It got numbers, and hey, the comments were
crazy.
Yeah, bangatheka hey lentwana le ushaba igabanga ukuthi ngadlula uSjugu hey lentwana lena she must focus on impilo yakhe isaseyintwana for this life, you know, in this njengalezo. But I got to understand ukuthi Shaba ngazibheka esipilini. I was like, welcome to the media space. The very same way you get compliments, people showing you love, is the very same way you should take a criticism, because it builds you. You understand?
100%.
Yeah, till today I haven't won increases abantu abapaya in terms of the Trap and Pass, because but with people that have me behind the scene, Cindy, they always tell me, listen, you're not here because the reason why you're here with us till today, it's because there's something that we see in you, and trust me, it's kati maslogo saba uzoba sharp, and you don't have to be loved, you understand, in order to see your potential. You don't have to justice at I love Shaba, you understand. If justice says Shaba man yazi we are commentator, but they are rasa for the fact that he mentions what you doing commentary, it means you're on the right path, you understand. And I thank her for that, because we and changed my life, you know. I was able to ngwazi namubekisi kwetafuleni ngalela sister Intes bias shinjile hot man, I won't lie to you. Intes bias la sister link, cause you know, I think I was one of those influencers with the you are known, but I'm not malinge nayo. You rely on ama gigs wasikasi la ma 5 clip 1.5 nakhona leso sikhathi, but umuntu ukuthi angibona, and with our first episode, Man Shooter, I want potential, and she was like, I'm gonna take this guy and ngizomenza the biggest thing in that South Africa had ever produced. And now I shouldn't sit here and be comfortable with I got silly. Izinto zami zisorted. No, I always put in the work. Because the other thing that people don't know with Trap and Pass is that I even work behind the scene. You know, the thing is, Angaga was lama terms, but I hold the board. You know, Trap and Pass is in trees, late one, take one. You know, managing the floor, welcoming the guests, and all that. You know, because Lela sister langbonis wuti bamela fali span. You understand? You don't have to wait for your turn. Wuti. It's got some figure where I will sit here and Stu sits here and we run the show. If it's not your time, then don't just be on your phone and be like, I shoot just this. No, Stu. Then no. Do something. Find something that or span a peswa and be like, okay, it's in run. I want to be on the scene. Let me make sure which is set and all that. And yeah, man, Lela sister lung from this about the production, and I'm sure with Manje, I can maybe in the near future I can knock in a certain production and say, hey man, I am Shava, I'm not only a presenter but I can do this and this behind the scene. It's because of the sister and the likes of Abo Brighton Mhlongo, Tando Koza, you know, and the team and that we have.
Yeah. The thing is that people most of the time they see the goodness of the brand, how good you are. But the stuff that happened in closed doors.
Yeah, closed doors and Abaka.
You know, that really, really groomed you, you know. Yeah. And most of us in the township, our fun is literally going out, you know. When I say going out.
So pools.
So pools, Asha, you know, Nabo Cherry, with the guys, going back early in the morning. That's our flow. Most people in the township, right? This thing you would say, I know we just go into the movies or I'm a trip.
You know, till today, ne? You know. So Ekaslam, Maslogo school, big in should they used to go to ice skating as a festival mall in Taxi Park every Wednesdays. But Tina lazy which is ski, you know, Amaludo, we didn't believe in those things. And Respondent is Antonata Machispo. Till today, I think the first time, ice skating, I think if not last of last year, that was the first time. And I used to ask Amachit, Zaki para bacha Zaki Muntu zo poor la pema ice and all that. But yeah, Nyakchola Moti, if I need to see Axin Tozuti would go to movies, ice skatings and all that. I'm a quality city, no. Fungo Puzas, Funugo Bambingane.
Yeah. Something happened to you. During that time when you're going out to groove. Something similar that happened to my friend. But I'm just going to give you the chance to explain what really happened and what have you learned from that situation, basically.
Okay. Being a groove, just to be correct, man. Yeah. So there's this girl, I don't want to mention her name, just for
safety.
Yeah. Ushala a street next to my street. So Mongena Kaslam is Stratsal Saki, then is Stratsam. So Stratsam is Chumongena Kaslam. So young text that Joe, where are you? I'm like, hey man, I'm home. It was around 11, I think. So Kaslam, Aban Basatimbi Sabazukjela, Nabantababu Iwin Axi Kasloguti, Ikasel Tulile. You could walk in Jengabuma 12. You understand? Mhlambe at some point bazonolela abantu base Alexander, maybe ngasho ukuthi la makasa kushafana nabo Alexander where is pity nje day and night yabo. So uyang text, where are you? I'm like, I'm home. Uthi mamela a cousin yam is like him. So beslogo sisonke nje the whole day yabo, and uphume nje umuntu obuyayo akakhiya ngendlini yabo into ezinjengalezo. So ngicela ungikhaphe sikhaphu umzala wami. It's okay, cool ke mamela. Ethi ngishiya phone eJardini because mina bengazwani vele nokuphuma nephone makuyisebusuku yabo. not because of inkunzi ukuthi ngingabanje inkunzi, but nje ile nto ukuthi tezasebusuku ngekwazi yabona. So ngishifoni nithi mamela yena beka chatha using a laptop, by then beyangakabi ne phone, so ngiyamtshela nithi okay phuma uze stratini sami ungimele khoneni, so if ngizofika kuqala ngizolinda nina, if ngizofika kuqala ningilinde shapai siyamita esikhapha cousin. So masibuya sizodlula estratini sami sibheke estratini sakhe ngithi, so nithi kuye oh sizizinja zakhonkotha. Wow.
What time is it?
Yeah, it was probably around 12 because by the time I was on my phone, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Because I took text her around 11, which was couple cousin. So you assume by then it was, if not 12, it was 12. But in thing as the whole thing happened, so we the following day around 12 to 1. So we are nithi izinja zikhonkotha into engekho, yazi izinja. So jama njaba man ungadlali so, yabo. Nithi hayi kulezinja nje yabo. Nyamthusela nyana okay sifike estratini sakhe. So kunamakula. So masiqeda ukujika nje kamakula. There is a brownish goldish Avanza nyana nje yabo epakile. But ekaslamvele into ezirenkaya ama Venture, ama Avanza and all that. So nithi maybe out nje taxi driver izocheckela umere yabo. Okay sharp. I think the Avanza being a number plate phambili, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So sidlule le Avanza. So my thing check mover. I wanna check the number plate in case maybe bazoyistart abasibambe inkunzi, I know the number plate. So mangisabheke number plate. So kune charity. So this is a corner house. In Avanza pake right next to the corner house. The next door ile charity le lokuthi labantu abahamba ngale Avanza bazifihle kulo. And there's someone in that Avanza. Ane? So lela charity li alinabonda nje i-charity nje livulekile. So mangisabheke number plate mangithi esana nazi iclever ziyavela Z5. Yeah, I think they were 5. So la charity la ngithi outline so ngale move isigaba. So sharpa lezi spam inkunzi yabo. Futhi inkunzi yamanje justice ayisabanjwa nje yabo. Futhi akele imali in solve for my language ne. So I want to ukuthi you know mase kwami ukuthi akunamele ngibagaye imali bagaye phone. So nabo baqhamuka banje basitshela baphethe ipa ngizofuthi ka project. Yeah. Hey matata kenzakala. Sharpu. Bacha bafethu amafoni. Makhutmana siphathanga amafoni. Imali next. Bank card next. Yabo? Bathi ngibloma va. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi esana. Mangathi ngibloma kule strata esingayi. Zengafuna ukungikhawaje because maybe zakucabanga ukuthi ne la uthi kusekaslaye ngashanje iflate one kuphuma amajita yabo. So you know, so iKaslamic season 4 ngithi manje ngishala le zone 7. Bathi ufuna la ngithi angikhapha imali. Yabo? Hayi isikhathi ya manishi bekumele nimbeke kibo yabo yini. Ay le engathi leader yabo ithi ayilaba siyabathatha. Kodwa man. Yo. Be ngathi benga understand kodwa man. I won't lie to you. So in my mind I'm like, so today you are dying Shaba because mabantantha banisaphi nenzana. So it's either uyafa or maybe kidnapper, the human trafficking, like it's a lot in my brain now. I'm like, yes. So just like that, say child umuntu athi ushaba ma 2K, no ways. Like no ways. So nali Avanza alipakile la. Ngiyabona ukuthi yabasisi ku Avanza basifaka kule charity leli bebazifihle kulo. Kishop sengena kulela charity basisa ngale muva. Mabasitha ngale muva yonke into iyenzeka silently. So you asking yourself as someone ongimamele ukuthi okay maningena kule charity i-charity awasipana kulo lelo i-charity ukuthi kenzakalana. I believe I don't have answers for that because ama-housebreaking bayenza ngendlela ezihlukile. Abanye bazokutshela ukuthi bangenile then balayita maybe something ukuthi ilalise ijaret lonke, and those things they do happen. Sometimes I think abanye bathi umsila wemfene, you can put it la emnyama, yovuka next week, azolala hot man. Abanye angazi nje into ezihlukile abazisebenzisayo, you understand, ukuthi abantu bazumeke ubuthongo like bangezwe next. And ngibe nalento ukuthi okay, if maybe akusabantu ukuthi babalalisile, everything that was happening there beyenzeka silently, you understand. So I wouldn't blame someone ohlala lapho uzothi angivanga next mina, and maybe ngithi hey maybe usebenzisana nabo yonke into beyenzeka lapha be silent, like silent, and ukhonjwe ngebhamu. So okay, sangena kulela charity siyangalimuva. I was wearing a bomber jacket, a t-shirt, a jean, la jean afanana lawa short, nelinye Air Force lambi ngilithenge ku DM4 price. So I'm wearing that Air Force. One of la machita lao, he's like, "Exe kumula, jela mina, kumule." And by the way, this thing ends again 2023, because now we're 2025, ne? Yeah, 2023. He's
2 years ago.
Yeah, he's 7th February 2023. Masingena nje kwi7, yes, singena nje ngibhekane nobunzima. So, la athi kimi khumula. Ngikhumule. Yeah, khumula. Okay, in my mind I'm like, maybe ufuna le jacket engishayile or le patch, you know, because you know abantu mabakutshela bangibamba inkunzi bankovela ipatch namafoni nani, angikhumula ijacket, ngikhumula ijacket kuphela. I remember then that's when he was like azokhipha ama-cassette we-spam, athi yabona la mabullet, if ufuna phelele kuwe ungitshele. Athi mfethu ngithe khumula, ngakhumula i-t-shirt. So ngumuntu nje ungathanda ukushaya ama-underwears yabo, so ngikhumula i-t-shirt, khumula ingaza, khumula ibhathu, so ngisele naked like inganje hot man. And la uthile I was like, asondela kimi. So makasondela, la uthi sondela, uma esondela kimi shule yabithi ifuna ukungirape. And that's when this other one kulaba bayi-5 was like, no, yeka le awuthile namucherla. And bakove isicathulo sami bakhiphe ama-shoelace bangifase ngawo, so bangifasa emuva, then bangikhomba ngebhamu bangise bondeni, and they're like akumele ubheke yonke into enzakalayo la. But athi yazi ukuthi okay, mangingatheni ikhanda I could see everything, but nangelihlo mangiloko ngijikise ilihlo kanje I can see. So what was happening was mabaloku bangikhombe ngebhamu bangifasile izandla, ngiyashayiwa, ngiyaklapiwa, ngimpama, you know, it's a lot khona mani. Bangibuza ufunani lana, watwati imali kuphi, wanabe ebusuku, yabona nje. So I'm like, okay, ngibheka usister ngara. So one yamshaya ngara, yamrape. So le mayiqeda ichenjana nalo ngikhombe ngesibhamu iza ngapha, ngiyaklapiwa. Shimabalo kuba chenjana ngale bachenjana ngogirl in terms of ukumrape, ngapha bachenjana ngokumklapa. Ngiyashayiwa ngapha ugirl mangiloko ngibhekile kanje ngelihlo, I see that, you know man,
intenzeka ngale ibhlungu. And you know, at some point I felt like I'm not man enough, man. I felt like amantombazane wakuleli izwe, or nje women in general, they're not being protected by us as men. That day, I felt like being a man, it's useless. From that day, I feel ngathi, why ngabanga something else? Because being a man, especially kule country siphila kuyo, it's something else. So okay, sharp ngiyashaywa, ngiyatlapiwa, ugel baloku bamrape and baloku bashintshana ngaye. And that's how I understand ngakhona, because at some point there were footsteps. So I felt like even the guy that was inside that Avanza, ngathi naye uzwakalile azoshaya kusister. Leyo into engekho shonga, because you don't see everything that's happening. You understand? But you can see nje abantu baloku bashintshana ngiyatlapiwa and all that. So mase baqeda uza kimi and ukumbona beka le ndlela beka ngayo Khotman, akusinto ejabulisayo man, at all. Ngiyambona ukuthi no man, sister banilimazile big time. Lamajita qova ibhathu lami, I cover the jacket, baphuma kanje. So ngisele nge-jean, ngisele nge-top. I'm like, okay, so what's next? I didn't care about me. Yabona at that time, even if she was gonna say, let's walk from Tembisa to Joburg ngenyawo, I would have done that. That's how shuthi bengifuna ukubona sister sharp. Ukuthi senzani, I didn't care. I was like, what's next? Ngiyise yini esekhaya tshela mina. She was like, no, you are lami le spana my night shift, so akunamuntu ejardini, so ngicela uyekini. I was like, no, let's go. We didn't go skipper. Sephuma, we working, you know, she's crying, and now I'm nje ngihlanga at some point. Bina nam singakhala, you know. I was like, okay, singena endlini, masingena ngambi phone yami. I told myself futhi whoever enzombona a postile with status at that time, I will tell them. So ngena WhatsApp. So I saw a guy called DJ Sia and Hectic. They're a duo actually. So a postile Sia, and also there's a guy called Ushimi. So I'm like, Gusia, Khotman, over, this is what happened. Thinta no Shimi naye, because by then beka online yamthinta Shimi whether it's so ntwana. Okay, Shimi yangitshela ukuthi mamela ngizofonela boGata ngikai address yakho what and usiya ngale on the other side. So it was him, Hectic and DJ Crazy. Right now we road manager ga Tulipi. So they're like, boy, Ugopi, let us send an Uber from where you are to the hospital. Tell the doctors bagenzele what we call a rape kit and all that. Yabo, okay, sharp. Ngidila namakholo sister uplumile la empeteni nayo yakhala. Sharp ke bangisendela ama details we Uber. No, let me not lie. They didn't send my details yet. They were still requesting. Then lo bekafonela amaphoyisa uShime. Amaphoyisa sangaphandle. Bafone SAPS lo. Nya Ansara uthatha phone sister. Uthi kimi, oh uyabatshela ukuthi no, we sorted secret. ningasawarisheki. Like, why? Kwenzakalani jo? Namaphoyisa afikile bafuna ukusinceda, and wena batshela ukuthi uswatshede, and that's when she told me ukuthi Ejo, this is not my first time bangirape, and hey, it was a lot, man.
Give me tissue. Harish.
Thank you. Kalamanzi rane. So that's when she told me actually, which, hey man, this man is not my first time bang rape, and the first time mayenzeka lento le, apparently yana makasho ukuthi i-olady lakhe belingekho that supportive, you understand, and not to say maybe she was too abusive, but you know how black parents are, you know, instead of khona situation where they are too sensitive, but they will stick on ubuyaphi wahambe ebusuku into ezinjengalezo, because nami I wouldn't lie, I just felt like, you know what, I'm not gonna tell my mom, because I know how strict she is, and I understood. I don't want to paint my mom as someone ukuthi akusumuntu or there for me. Na umama mungikhulisile, and she was there for me, but I understand which as a black parent at some point inasiskela kabanga ayeka nje at an early age in this banje she had to learn ngwakhe, you understand, and we are blessed as the current generation because we get to learn which actually instead of utingo sweet clapping, yeah, you rather sit head down or him down and get to know the deep roots of this actual thing that's happening. Ukuthi mawuzongitshontshela ifoni umntwana or makulahleka izinto la ejardini umntwana uzitshontsha kuyenzakalani, you understand. So yangitshela ugiyala ukuthi ish yo lady bekumuntu ukuthi banga understand, bega strict, yabo, and nami, cause I know people will be asking ukuthi but you should have done that, and as a 23-year-old at that time, and this thing is happening to me for the first time, I haven't learned anything about the rape, angazi bona anything that is to do with rape bengayazi, and I had to deal with that at the time, and the biggest priority was Ugel.
Yeah.
I didn't care about me, I won't lie to you, because at some point I felt like I should end my life. But yeah, Ugel angitshela ukuthi oledi lakhe listrict, makungayiwe ma-hospital nani because usibhane usi apparently oledi. And nami ngithukela impilo yami ukuthi manje ugel masekangitshela kanje ngingagcina nami ngingazi kanjani, but maybe I could be included as part of the gens ukuthi uyisapho umntana ebusuku, yabo, cause makangitshela I'm like hey, yabona mayikanje nami awuthi nje ngingagcina izithola sengihamba ama-case sengiyaboshwa, because yazi ukuthi umthetho wase-South Africa when it comes to into ze-rape awuzovaya fast. So ngimbuza ukuthi okay, yini oyidingayo manje? Angitshela ukuthi ngicela ukugeza ngilale. If I knew better, if bengazi ukuthi after i-rape kumele umuntu ayenziswe lento zama-rape kit and maybe I could have done things different, you understand, but
as intwana bengakavi, I'm like, ethi ngibeka amanzi, okay, aphume alo ageza ngiphumele ngaphandle etugeza agidle empedeni. I slept on the sofa, and yeah man, ngagila ekseni, shoke up around 6 ngamvusa, and I to shaba bekushaba ma 2000 cause by then nje ngintwana nje sadakwa nje nayilento ukuthi ngiyaqaviwa, you know, the life yamantombazane. So makangivusa shaba ngithi hayi ubani manje ayijo hamba ugibela taxi, hayi sokhuluma ku WhatsApp kanti hayi usister yabo. And I think that's nokuhlonipha umuntu wesimame yaqala lapho, not to say umuntu wesimame by then bengamhlonipha, ngaze ngabeka isandla emntwini wesimame, but as a boy udbeka kakhula, sahlanyiswa i-fame, the hood fame, you know, sometimes sanokubamba ucherry makavuka ekseni ayamtshela in fact request mina ngilele sokhuluma mawufika. So all those things I had to actually see them different, which, you know what, right now to awusaselwa muntu, not only because of the rape thing, but also you as a friend, you know, there are certain things ngeke uziyeke hechola. So nya ugela ngivusa, oh I'm like it's you. So nyamkhapha ekibo straight inside, so she's like angijikela la ngizoba sharp, okay sharp mamela mina ngiyokidla jone in case kunento ozoyidinga ngicela ungifonele, cause mangathi uyangitexta ku WhatsApp ngeke ungithole ngiyolala, okay sharp. So girl by then she was doing bekayenze umatric 2022, then 2023 bekaqeda, I think bekuyisikhathi sokuthola ama-results or besekawatholile, but into engazi ukuthi bekumele ayivarsity by then. So sharp ngimtshela ukuthi nanyogidla ungithinte ku WhatsApp kulo ungifonele in case khona into ozobuyidinga. Athi okay sharp. So before solala I marked it together, uyangichazela ukuthi mamela ungapheniki, antiza wakhe umuntu ukuthi umuntu nje understandayo mangamchazisela uzomnceda everything. So she was like, listen, don't panic, I know uzo stress ukuthi why we didn't go to the police station, the hospital, don't stress. Okay, first thing mangivuka, okay I got ama miss call wakhe because bengizumekile, yavuka ngithola ama message wakhe angitsho ukuthi okay, so basically it was her updating me, okay ngiyaphuma endlini, I'm going to my and yangitshela ngifikile kanti wami sesibhedlela, yangitshela okay we at the hospital right now, we waiting for my result about this and that yabo. So luckily till today makaloka yenza ama test she wasn't positive, and I don't know, cause at some point there was a guy with a busy night, and that guy at the later stage I cover ukuthi ugel it's the girl that was with me when Magarejo. So yangitshela ukuthi emfethu ugel ukutshelile ukuthi ngathi A1 ikhamele phakathi and she fell pregnant, but angazi siswa ama miscarriage or what not abo, but isisu nje sigcina singasaqhubekanga yena umjita makangitshela yabo. And I contacted the girl and I was like, hey, Angela, this is it true? Why didn't you tell me? She was like, hey Joe, I didn't want to stress you, you know, we've been through this together. As much as I'm in pain, as much as I'm going through this, you're also going through it, man. Uguchi whenever creeping, it doesn't mean nothing happened to you. You are also facing this, and I got to talk to her, and yeah, I'm telling you it's okay, but if anything happens, whether ingane inkulu njele jo, I need to be updated. I don't wanna, cause that's how I felt. Maybe I can show her the love as a guy. Uguchi, listen, as much as I'm a daughter, angcolile, but namadoda njengathi kulo mhlaba esiphila kuwo. You understand? And because I remember after the incident happened, I called my best friend. so akahlali eKaslamiweni but use Cliffontein moya ngathi Midrand. So I'm like, Joe, you the person that knows me in and out. Uwazi mangikwatilo ushuthi ungazi nje in and out. So listen, ngizochief la endlini. This is what happened. Ngiza lapho kuwe. Ngiyamkhazisela situation. Nathi mfana zwakala. Yabona if ikenzeka into ezikanje zwakala. Kufike la switched off my phone for a week or two. Hey man, ngicina manje phashekasi bese ngiwanted ngilahlekile. Yabo, so I wrote a post on Facebook to tell people about what happened, and it's my phone like started my message, calls, DMs, you know. Even Chico Azania, the late Chico Azania, may he so rest in peace, he did a video because you are mama poem yabo, especially ngento ezenzeka eKasi, so asho ukuthi bafethu ningibona nganja ngoshapi out here, so this is what happened. Then also the guy called Piwe is also into this TikTok cool story about what happened, but yena beyangasichazanga kahle yabo, but I didn't blame me, you know. So ngagcina seyimkhazisela. I think we had a chat nje earlier this year. Actually what you said on your TikTok video, you're right, but kunezinye izinto beze wrong yabo, but angeke blame it because now we story started from someone, and you know man, indaba ifika mayisuke eThembisa ifika le Eastern Cape sokuthi hey but behamba yabona. So I disappeared on social media for I think a week or two. So already now selaqala la stress cause indaba ngathi ifikile kuyi yabo, but ungaleli abantu aba strong akusumuntu ukuthi seka manje uyaphenika uyakhala Tumsani, what's happening, khuluma nami mntanami yabo. Umuntu ukuthi ipain uyibambela ngaphakathi yabo. So they called everyone that knows me or would you close name. So everyone phone. That's when they got to call the friend that I was with. So how did they get in touch of Impinjam? So I have a friend opposite which umuntu engiphila naye eKasi most of the time simbiza ngoGigs. So uGigs bambuza man ejolo umuntu lo mgcine nini, so they went to the boy called Ukabelo. So Ukabelo I usually bengihamba naye kuma gig bekangidijela at that time, and beshare ubaba mina naye the late father.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm an intwana yami thingifake entweni yabo. So bayana kibo yabo abuza mfethu lo muntu phela simtholi jo ukuphi yasho uthe nje nami ngiyazama ukufona ngimtholi giwe kuma internet cafe sekuprint izithombe zami ngiyabona bathi Shaba is missing inini, and I'm like, oh shoot isithombe abasebenzisa mangifile lese. So I'm like, okay, already la phone bagcina bathola umngana yabo, baba mthola uthola ile Mpinjam le uGigs. It's like ntwana ushabuva amjeni diamond ngabatshengise nko yabo, uthi Shaba yekho yibafethu nama ngazi ngizama ukumfonela athi mfethu phela lo muntu lo so athi mfethu ngizwile yabo, but lo muntu akekho la yabo afide. So mabalo bamfonela kaningi len uGigs yacabanga ukuthi hayi there's no way Shaba ngikanyamalale la outside cavi strong akusumuntu ukuthi angava nje ayizibulala and all that le outside yamfonela ntwana I know siyamajita maybe utshelile ukuthi ntwana abantu akumele baqala ntwana ulela kaShaba le stress emfana sekunamaphoyisa manje ama-police station and ntwana ngicela nje ukuthi uShaba nawo. Ntwana was like bana na iPhone phone sure awulidi Tumsani awulidi yabo ukuphanya imtshela hayi ngilakha umngane wami kuso yabo athi mfethu phela bese siwarate nesishaywa nempempe lapha eKasi uyafuneka
people are posting you on social media but ulahlekile yabo ngikhulume nephoyisa yabo I think bekuyisister insana njani anyarenga naye yabo mbuza khamba namtshela sister so acho okay ngiyakuthola but already bele stressed I think into ukuthi besidinga eyokukhala sesitholile ukuthi sithole wena lesazi ukuthi safe so what's happening imchazisela yabo angitshela ukuthi okay if you gonna need any assistance sithinte kula number so cool yabo so that's how my mom knew which okay ngise Cliffontein ngoKhabumgalam then there is a cousin. So remember when I told you ukuthi usiswam the second born lo qiniseka hlala kubabakhe so from her father's side bekane cousin so kuleyo cousin yakhe umzwandile ukuthi nambele cousin kimi ngenye ithi cousin ka sister cousin yethu so umuntu ukuthi hot manje lindala supportive yangithinta yangibuza ntwana zikhiphani yagcina sekangishayela ijika ra yabo ngizele negawulo ngizele nezaka udingani bamba kanje ucina ubalance anything oyidinga ungitshele yabo into ezinjengalezi nje yabo then that's how I got kuno sister what to promise on IG it's prom queen it's prom queen that's how she DM'd me and said hey listen I want to be here for you in case kunento ezidinga whether it's counseling funa ukushawa umoya anything ngazisa ngathi cool at mamela ngi-owner ama BNB at the place there's a place called the Blind in Pretoria show on my BNB and I'd love people to check her out also because umuntu ukuthi she's in the business space and if they want to book ama BNB they can contact her because she has played a huge role in me. So ang text that owner nama BNB that they played so the play there's an artificial beach so you can come here and sister and shower more and all that so contact together you go so asira ati shower jo as in I don't wanna lie to you uma aunties ngapha kimi ngiphethe sharp yabo and I don't think I'm ready to face the world at this point. I want to take things slowly and all that. I'm like, are you sure? Sure, yabo. So mina ngumuntu ukuthi buye bengi I'd present myself as that soft guy. You understand that? Ukuthi anything as long as it's positive. You understand that? As long as ngicabanga anything ukuthi ufuna ukuzibulala and all that but if uthi mfethu mina ngijoin i-gym just change to distress and all that I'd support her yo so angitshela ukuthi mamela ungaya nabo magala bakho and all that so angitshela sister ukuthi shman usisters ngayi uthi yena sharp yabo but mina ngamajita ngayi I'd love to go there yabo ngiye namajita shower more that's when I got to see you sister but we didn't get time to sit down and talk you know angibuza ukuthi sikhiphani what happened and all that but I think I understood ukuthi maybe yena uthole ngalento ukuthi isani lentwana eqedwe kenzakalela lento kanje I don't want to talk about it naye at this point cause yabo so nje bekumuntu nje bekaloku azwakala azosichecka buy as food amajita amathi afuna utshwala yabo cause angisumuntu fast ejwaleni so they should buy us food alcohol amajita amaziphuzele sizirelaxele nje namadijita I think it was for a week yabo then she started being there for me mangidinga nje izinto ngimfonele ngiyamtshela isijo phela ngispani ngiyabhayiziseka she'd send me money listen take this money yenza so for you old lady yabo do this tata angela if ngama na piece shop nyane ngizoba nayo la Hispanini sami ngizokuchipa uzwakala uzobamba itohonyana yabo so nje bekulelo old lady ukuthi belinjalo nje kimi nalapha ngizoya my first when you shoot at the first episode lapha ku Trap and Parts I called her then she gave me money and she was like hamba kibela yo uyelajo yo shooter so bekumuntu nje ukuthi beka supportive
And in terms of counseling, because I did you go for counseling and all that? I won't lie to you, man. I didn't do that. Reason being, it's not because of being ignorant or whatever. I believe there are a lot of things that I could do aside in that they contribute in terms of helping me heal. You understand that? And one of those things, it's me speaking about it every now and then. I'm one person who would, yes, I know I sometimes get emotional, and maybe a person would say, Mara, should you need healing? But I believe that even if you could, sorry to say that, but even if you could lose your mom, even if you can go for my counseling, but whenever you speak about her, there would be that emotion, which is, but I lost someone who was strong. So now every time when I speak about it and I get to cry, it's because of, I know how it feels, and how sensitive it is. But with the things that I do on a daily basis, the content, we don't do drugs. Ubanje in a space, I'm one person who whenever I'm around, we laugh. Man peti malem na man. I make sure ukuthi ngenze izinto ukuthi zongijabulisa. You understand? And when I say izinto zongijabulisa, I'm not speaking about utshwala, amantombazane, and all that. No, I'll do certain things for you, old lady, because I also help her out in terms of ukwakha lapha ejaridini yabo. Ngiyamncedisa ulethi shingibambe if maybe ngitholele lo 5 stain on it, I'm already nayi 2000 or nayi 1000 ngicela buy material and so, and enye maybe ngalungisa ehonjini, yazi umjita sinjani, lungisa nyana ehonjini, tshela amajita amba fejama nasiphumene, go to Quarif yabo, or maybe ngiphume nemedi sevava nje. It was those things ukuthi nje into nje ukuthi yangijabulisa, I'll do it yabo, as long as ngishawa till today vele into nje ukuthi I'm surrounded by good people. Not even a single day they get to touch about that thing, because they know how sensitive it is. And even when we talk about it, we actually make jokes about it. Because I remember there's a friend of mine called Uket Monati, so we usually do my live videos on TikTok. So he would be like, so Ntwana, Shawa, bafuna ukudla inunu ngithi mfana bekunyiwa. So would laugh about that thing. What? So scream kanjani ngithi so nje yangitshela athi, listen, I'm not doing this because I wanna make fun of it, but ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi mfethu I'm there for you, and siphume kule nto yabo, instead of us touching into it and getting into emotions. Because whenever, cause I'm alive with TikTok, we call them ESRFM, so it's me, Soul Revolver, Ket Monati. So we usually let people come there to vent about Nijolo, all those things. Abanye, they do come and tell us about, hey, old lady, uncle, young raper, and those things. In most cases, I think Abu Ket, which is whenever someone comes into the live and speak about the rape, Ushava we akala, I would cry on the live, so I won't know, man. Instead of him being this emotional, ngcono ngihlezi ngimfake emoyeni njalo makungangena umuntu akhulume ngerape ngizomgwera silahe nje ukuthi aphume kuye fast yabo. And I would advise that person ukuthi, listen, this is how I've dealt with it, and if I expand, you can also do this, the counselings and all that, but mina nayindlela engichuzile ukuthi this is how I'm gonna heal. I'm gonna be careful ukuthi who am I bringing in my space. I know ukuthi ngikhulele kasi, where you'd find a guy mjita shaycheri itori zama-rape zenzeka, because at some point I remember 2018 I was, so there's this, I don't know, I should say it's something that based on a true story. So it's people, they come just like me, Nizalagu, and tell the story, and there's someone very active. So there's a story called Ufelane. So people go there to vent and say, okay, so and so and so. Then they call people to be actors and act whatever that happened. So babathe bafuna ama-extras for Ufelane. So there is a friend of mine called Alfred. Was like, Ntwana bafuna ama-extras because I'm also an actor, by the way, and I'm passionate about it. So in case there's someone listening and who'd love to give me a slot for act, I'd appreciate that. So nyafika la yathi amengitshela Ntwana bafuna ama-extras for in the so Ufelane asibangena siyera masifika la bebasifuna ngo-2 wasemini, and we had to wait man until ngaboma 10-11
at night.
yeah. I had to pretend because lento beyenzeka eThembisa, so we were shooting at Tembisa. So there's a place called Slow Chile eduze nase-Slow Chile kunedamu nyana nje la yabo. So baloko basiblofa ngokuthi guys don't leave, we are wrapping up kuphi beshoot enye scene vava, guys don't leave, and bafike la angikavi ukuthi kenzakalani, ngazi ukuthi nyoba extra but ukuthi extra yani angikavi. So bafike nami-cheering nje baka rude, I don't remember igama lakhe. She was like, cause sigcine masifika sichenjile sagqoka all black as abotsotsi because into esazi ukuthi uba abotsotsi. So sigqoke sazi sachange, saphinde sagqoka futhi the costumes saphinde sachange because sibona ngathi la lento ayikho le. So ufika usithola sesichenjile sigqoke impahla zasejardini, and she was like, but why you guys not prepared and all that yabo. And nathi njengentwana zasekhaya sayithi yancenga mfethu, uyabona ukuthi lama ngathi hayi kuyafana bangathi vaya nemali, you understand. So but by then imali bekungasinto ukuthi ngibhekile, ngazi nje ukuthi ngiyovela TV because ngifuna ukubona ukuthi act. So si change then before we shoot baloko basbrief so babone man lene energy tebona amancane wane energy engaka wena yabo. Actually besicabanga nje ukunenza ama supportive cause sorry bathi akusama extras, but yini ama supporting actors or what. So that's what they wanted ukuthi into bekumele sibe yizo. So they were like, actually wena mancanesi wangabi iboss yale clever lesi, we know you short and lazy tall naku, but makube ukuthi ukhipha number emajiteni ukuthi manje sinza so. And that's how I got a bit of a character there because imbe ngilo ngivela kakhulu, imbe ngikhuluma kakhulu, yathola as a featured actor. And yeah, I played a role as we basically bese ama rapist. So sister la basitshela ukuthi okay uzoshuta ngathi vele rape sister, and by then nga 18 maybe sex that time sengiyenze kayi2 ayingekusinto engijwayele. So angine energy ngifuna ukimpress phela, angine energy plan. So bangitshela ukuthi okay right now uzo shoot, there is a camera here, so uzobheka le camera and act like uphezu kwa sister, and uyasho ayingani ya wena manfula ya wena manje yabo. So ama directors alokala, so manje usister kumele angene ngibe phekwakhe but isicokile. So you know how these cameras ama angle wabo they make it seem like vele isikhumulile yabo, because there was a point where they were like, okay manje we're gonna shoot a scene where ukhumula amakinop nezip kuba ngathi ehlisa ibruka yabo. So ukuthi by the time shooter le ukuthi senyamshaya ukuthi vele babonile akhumula ibruka yabo. So hayi ngishutele ukhumula ibruka then ngishute na leve ukuthi nginyamshaya angeke ngamgibela usister, angeke ngasister athi wena son ona la many years kera 18 area wena energy yawa buti. And manje sicokile ngithi ngixawule matsa wena xawule matsa rough re wena nana hawu wasanze baludise kwenu dithakatsa udi ko varsity dithakatsa udi wena busy o master di character tsa unyobana hawu. So from there Misha that writing and mayizophuma ngitshelile ekasi bacava ukuthi ushabe uphuma TV yetho. And imagine ngiyathenga ukuthi ioledi oledi azwani nento eziphuma endleleni lapha ngivele TV ngumuntu ukuthi ngishovu sister oledi ngeli thandisise la ngitsheleni awuthi amithe ntwana singizozwakala soyibukelekini laleni athi afile awuzwakala ngibukele kuwo then mayidlala kasi bangitshela but then ama-social media ama-Instagram bengakabi nalento zokurepost and all that so abantu bakutshele sikubonile and I had ama-dreadlocks by then sikubonile uyarape nini ngishaya isifuba but after this thing enzakele i-rape game like after it happened to me like yenzeke in real le nto le bengasazwana naye bebathi ngaqala ngitangithe mfethu niyakubona la kumoja la mthe mfethu ayikabi ngiyakufriza nje manje angizwani nje naleya character leya yabo angizwani naye understand if I were to be given a character as an actor where I rape I need to be strong and I'm an actor I wouldn't deny that opportunity but I wouldn't be something that things was khanyanga ukuthi ngumuntu actor maybe scheme sami and I'm a rapist no I don't want to sound like because there's a friend of mine there's an ex-friend of mine ngathi actor khona actor ku scheme sami ukuthi beyadlala ngazi but beka rape and all that but what I'm saying is I wouldn't akusinto engashaya isifuba ngayo but would I take that opportunity? Yes, it's fun. It's something that I've always wanted to do as an actor. Mutualing actor. What kind of a role am I playing? It doesn't matter. You understand? But yeah, nje matarang chalang into ze rape. Hey, or matarang senela la ma video. But hey, mbetsa bona la polali u rape linyi sister ul ginger raf ni te ba fethu. Hey, ni wonile mphumela should ngisheshe ngivale fast because I know ukuthi ansayiboni ngalela life anymore. So yeah, that's what happened, Khotwana.
Now, thank you so much, Shaba. You know, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you being strong.
Yeah.
I don't know how strong the lady is at the moment, but I'm sure she's back to.
Yeah,
use
Skela. Okay, I don't want to mention that school, but yeah. Use Skela University, and she's doing so well because Magalaika is son of Bonana. Wana usale thing. Araki we the shower. Hey, awokera. Ututompona wena rutabana bosegwile nto le akusasele nto ukuthi hey okay how's it man abanye mbona nje nyamhlanje leswena ubeni no kuyengela ngeliso wafela manje awusangitshela ukuthi ubuyile yabo soyangijolela yawa maneshe nini tsafile it's okay yabo lokho ngimcheck nje then uthi mnandi cool so yeah usister and grand and yeah and also thank you Khotwana for Gumbiza to come and have a chat with you. You understand? I've been a fan of his sponsor Copify, even knew you understand? And actually how I got to know you, it was I think the podcast Evankulego. You remember? I don't know if
you and Culture.
Yeah, you guys were pushing that, ne?
Wasn't no, I think I came once or twice.
Yeah, but Nje Kamalaga Justice, that's when I got to hear it. Then Nitiski TV obviously just that's when they follow. I know that, and to me it's a blessing waiting to a call from you to come and have a chat with you because you're one of those people that I look up to. You know, I don't think South Africa is ready for it, and what you have done in this game so far, I think you deserve those flowers, and for that it's 100 talented. You deserve those flowers, man, because you have done you sure spanela my production my buyer behind the scene, but it's just by ngwazi vele ngale podcast the Justify and also the Diski TV, and yeah, man, I'm a fan of that channel, man.
Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate your time. Yeah, thanks, man. I'm glad that you are here today and you are able to make other people laugh.
Yeah,
with social media. And one thing is that you're an MC.
Yeah, I'm an MC.
How can people find you, man? Just in case maybe they want to book you for weddings and parties and stuff like that.
Okay. Should I face that camera? Right?
No, you can just look at me. Or just look at the camera. It's good. Yeah.
Except you, it's a boy Shabe Mbasara Machuke, cousin Beyonce, ex Cardi B, and they are, man. Go TikTok, it's _Shaba or Machuke because the account color it was running about 200 and 17,000 followers and by report and by ba ban.
Jealous.
So yeah, because of la live videos so shy. So sometimes usanokuthi very live video. So TikTok in imithethe imibhayi. So ungavela ku live video maybe awugqoka ngeskipa then back suspend. You understand? So it's those little things. Yabo I would maybe uvela uphuza or wenzani, but into nje ungazinaki, but that might contribute to ukubhena yabo nini, maybe uvela ushaya live video usemotweni and but actually TikTok can suspend you on a live for ukuthi uvele usemotweni ihambe imoto. So mabaloko babhena kanje and people reporting the account, I ended up losing the account, but I had to start a new account and that is running about 23,000 followers currently, and I would like people to go and check it out. It's at _Shabo Machuke. That's when ngicala posta i-content yami, kunama video nyana i-2 ama voice note and amanye nabo Scott's Maphuma and all that. And also on Instagram it's at Shaba Machuke. Facebook it's at Shaba, so Shaba with double P, Shaba. So yeah, that's where they can find me. Also there's a Trap and Pass, people should check it out on YouTube. Mphethe out yam la pushchuku, mphethe uthandani Bivo Ntshumayelo, Khotman Sizwe, Bennett Nkosi, Simbiza u250, uSisithato, then with the team and abo Sisithando Khoza, Cindy Spisi, abo Nature, abo Msa, abo Mashwabana.
Are we not gonna
But when it's a team,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you have thing about page with Trap and Pass. People should check it out. It's a podcast that it basically it's about the football space and the entertainment. So isn't this Nzega while you are still on the field and isn't Nzega closed doors, you know. So basically we'd call Justice to come on the podcast and say, hey man, Justice, you are playing for Chiefs. Bonidlale mid-trend. You're driving M3. Bophethe uchiro so. And now, yeah, we are khala mfethu. What's happening? And that's where you unpack everything. Ukuthi man, signing on fee yami yokuqala. I spend nabangani. I thought I'm doing things right. You know, I used to hate people that actually tell me into because that's the actual challenge that I'm also facing right now on social media in terms of these footballers. You understand? You know, they block me because they feel like maybe YouTube, and we are trying to not to say it's exposing Tabazenza, but because most of these ex-professionals, when they look at that thing and they be like, guys, what you guys are doing, it's Bona, we need this. I'm a current footballers, they should check out on this podcast because is because soccer players they still do get a signing on fee. Bapus that they do this, they do that, they do sleep with these influencers and all that, you know. And the moment you get to unpack those things, no, soccer players they do sleep with girls and all that. You expose impilo yabo, but on a later stage masiqala manje umuntu maseka shifta from Pirates or Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs, izinto manje masiqala maybe uyodlalela a small team or akasana club uqala yacabanga ukuthi hey mara yazi lento anushaba iyaring into kanje, and I thought we are attack thina as the big team players, but ebekaring ivar, understand? But hey man, when it's their time, you know how these.
Yeah, man. Yeah, no, 100%, man. I think what you guys are doing is very good. You know, uncovering the underworld of soccer stars.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
But it's all good. But thank you so much, Shawa, man, for coming through. I really appreciate your time.
And everyone who's watching. Thank you so much, man.